Okay, Language Explorer. So let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So bring. To have something along with the others. To bring something to me. Can you bring some more books? Yeah, more books perhaps. Yeah. They will bring more people this time. Yeah. How cool is that? Bring the book next time, please. I need to bring a book with me next time. Yeah, with me next time, yeah. He brought their favourite food. I thought I brought it with me. See, I thought I brought it with me, but it's not here. Obviously not here, so I didn't bring it. It is not here, so therefore I did not bring it. Yeah, there it is. How cool is that? Yeah. So that means then that I bring, you bring, they bring. Yeah. I always bring spare food. You need to bring your helmet with you when biking. They want to bring more water with them, just in case. Yes. How cool is that? I bring, you bring, they bring. So he brings, she brings, it brings. Yeah. It brings the stick with it. Yeah. It brings the leash with it. Yeah. So he brings money to the table. She brings hope to the team. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So he brought all the pages this time. She's bringing her skills to the team. I'm bringing every piece of evidence, all the evidence. I'm bringing it with me. I will bring everything with me, just in case we need the information. Yes, I will bring it so you can read and see everything. See and read everything. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. So bring. Yeah, to bring something with you. Yeah. So bring. Now, can you use bring in a sentence? Can you write that sentence in the comments below and like the video and subscribe to the channel? More videos to come, more lessons to come, more on their way. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Yeah. Search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.